Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. So today I'm going to show you how you can create emoji avatar on iPhone. For that I'm going to my messages. From here I'm going to tap new messages. And from here you can see the sixth emoji icon, the avatar icon. Tap on that. From here you can create your emoji. So I'm going to tap on this. And from here you can set your avatar skin, hair and eyes, jewelries, anything. So I'm going to set this avatar. So yeah, this is how you can create your emoji avatar on iPhone. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.